I know you're used to just hanging out with Caitlin and I, but since Valentine's Day is just around the corner, we thought we would rope in our significant others. So Ashley and Matt are both gonna be joining us for our vlog today. Okay, so meet Ashley. I guess y'all have met her a lot. Here's her official introduction. Ashley is my girlfriend. Aww. And today what we're gonna do is we planned a date for Matt and Caitlin a few days ago, and they planned a date for us, and now we're gonna watch it, figure out what date we're going on, and bring y'all along on the whole process, and hopefully give y'all some good Valentine's date ideas for what to do in Lubbock.
Alright, let's get this started.
Okay, let's go watch what Caitlin and Matt have planned for us and figure out what date we are going on.
Hey Maky and Ashley, so Matt and I have planned what will hopefully be a fun little Valentine's date for y'all. So grab a blanket, some tunes, a frisbee, and prepare lunch and head over to Urbanowski Park for a picnic. Feel free to spice up your picnic however you would like, but maybe just find a nice tree to sit under, just relax and spend some time at the park.
Hopefully you guys have a good time and it's not too cold outside. Happy Valentine's Day.
Woo!
Okay, thank you Caitlin and Matt for that wonderful date idea. I'm pretty excited. We haven't gone on a picnic date since our second date?
Yeah, it was our second date.
Our second date, which was like 5 or 6 months ago. So it's been quite some time since we've gone on a picnic with each other, so I'm really excited about that.
Yeah, me too. Hopefully, I mean today has nice weather, so it'll be good.
The weather is pretty good. I don't know if we have a frisbee. I don't have a frisbee. Do you have one?
I don't have a frisbee.
That's okay. We're more board game people anyway, so we'll pack card games and Jenga and all that kind of stuff, and you can play some games with us because we play games like
a lot.
pretty much every night. So we'll do it at the park. And are you in the mood to cook?
No, not really.
Okay, I'm not in the mood to cook either. So we'll figure out. Our picnic might be a store-bought picnic. We'll pack our blankets and games real quick, and then we will see y'all when we see y'all. Bye. Oh, quick side note, look at these cute Valentine's earrings Ashley got me. They're little heart lollipops. So cute. Okay, bye. See you in a bit.
I'm here with Matt, and we're gonna watch the video that Maky and Ashley sent us to see what they have planned for us.
Caitlin and Matt, and happy Valentine's Day. We had a lot of fun trying to come up with a date for y'all.
So one of our favorite things to do is we like to cook a meal every week with like a different theme. So we thought it'd be fun if y'all did the same.
So the only requirements, we're leaving a lot up to y'all, but there has to be a 3-course meal. You have to have an appetizer, you have to have the main course, and you have to have dessert. But that seems like a little too easy and not a lot of fun. So what we're doing is for the dessert, one of y'all, we're not telling you which one, just one of y'all has to be blindfolded. And the blindfolded person is the only one who can actually touch the ingredients. You know, any good date is gonna challenge y'all, force y'all to communicate a little bit better. So hopefully y'all have fun cooking and learning how to talk to each other in weird situations.
We also decided to throw in something kind of cute and cheesy, so y'all can go outside and dance under the stars or do something else.
Yeah, just do something cheesy because it's Valentine's Day. We hope y'all have a great Valentine's Day and hopefully have fun on our little date that we planned. We cannot wait to watch y'all's footage, and we're about to figure out what date we'll be going on, so we'll see how that goes. Bye y'all.
Alrighty, so what are your thoughts on our date idea?
I'm excited. I feel like there's a lot of different directions we can go. I know we're still thinking about what to do, but there's definitely some cheesy things that we can do. I'm excited.
Yes, I am excited as well. And now we are going to go grocery shopping. Make your pick, sir. Officially start our little cooking.
You want flowers? I meant to get you flowers earlier. Well, let me get you flowers. No. We got a large selection of fruit here. Our desserts, chocolate chip cookies, cheesecake, fruit. What else do we need?
To go buy food.
But I got her flowers and she got me flowers. My car's waiting on you. Too bad. Here's your flowers. I got them for you.
Thank you.
Surprise.
These are for you.
Oh my goodness, they're so pretty. Thank you. Cheers. Okay, so we just got to the park. First of all, I'll show you the view. Well, maybe. There we go. Ooh, water. Pretty sunset. So we got here just in time to watch the sunset, but it's actually pretty cold and pretty windy. So we were gonna put the blanket out on the grass and have a little picnic that way, but it's a little cold, so we're using my car as a windshield, and instead we're just gonna set up camp in the back of the car. But it's still fun. We're still outside. We still have lots of goodies to eat and games to play. So let's set up our little, I don't know, picnic. Picnic night.
So we are now going to be cooking, and since we're doing like a little theme dinner, our theme has decided to be like split decision because we are two of the most indecisive people ever. But so for appetizers, we are making a charcuterie board.
For our entree, we have spaghetti tacos.
And then for dessert, we're going to be making a brookie. So let's get into it. So we're gonna time lapse through the appetizer and entree. It's not super exciting, and that way we can have more time for the dessert part.
Okay, so this is our completed charcuterie board. So that's it for the main appetizer, and on to the entrees where we make the spaghetti tacos.
All right, we have our spaghetti and our taco shells. I think this spaghetti is you cooking and me just eating a charcuterie board. Alrighty, here are our completed spaghetti tacos. We are going to eat them, watch some basketball, and then we will get back to y'all when it's time for the more exciting part of making a dessert with one of us blindfolded.
We're just in the back of the car, looking at the lake out the window. That's okay, we're rolling with the punches. So, like we said earlier, our second date.
Yeah, our second date.
We went to the park, and when we were driving over here, Ashley said, we need to make sure we actually eat this time, because last time when we came, how long were we here for?
It was like 4 or 5 hours. We were here forever.
We picked up food and we came here to have our little picnic date, and we stayed here for like 5 hours and
Just talking.
we didn't touch our food the whole time. And then we were like, oh, we forgot to eat. Whoops. And then it turned out that ants had gone in our pizza anyway, so it was fine.
There's ants in the car and all over the counter at the apartment. And
then we went back to her place and hung out for like 4 more hours.
yeah, we were together forever.
And then I was like, oh no, I like her. Okay, we have so much to eat. I don't even know where to start. Like, I'm kind of overwhelmed. Should we
Start with Chick-fil-A because it'll get
cold, and then we can eat our fruit?
Yeah.
Cheers. Okay, ready? You're gonna catch them in your mouth. They're blueberries.
I'm scared. How am I supposed to?
I don't know. Make it work.
Wait, I didn't even see you do it.
You ready?
You have blueberries all over your car.
My freshly cleaned car. Oh, that one was close. That was your fault. Okay, my turn.
I actually have good aim.
Okay, prove it. I guess you're right. Yeah. That was impressive. Couldn't go 2 for 2.
Yeah.
I'm good. If you get 3 in a row, you win the game.
I win the game no matter what.
I almost had a blueberry rattling around in my lung. Oh.
And now it is time for dessert time. We're going to be making this cookie brownie bars mix with the plot twist that one of us has to be blindfolded, And Matt's gonna be one blindfolded. I'm gonna be telling him what to do. So this should be fun. Okay, so I'm gonna need you to find the box of mix. And can you open it?
Brownie mix.
No.
Brownie mix.
Yes. Oh, you're not on the bag at all.
Oh.
Oh,
Hold on,
don't
hold on.
hit
I got it.
that.
I got it.
Finger. Okay, you made a rip in the bag. Now you have to crack in 1 egg.
Do that. I'm scared. I don't think that cracked very well.
Yeah, I did it.
I broke the shell. Is there any in there?
Yeah, there's a little.
What do you mean?
There's a. Okay, wait. So we're gonna use the shell to get the other shell out because the shell attracts us. So use the one on your right hand. Oh wait, you got it.
Oh.
Okay. Okay, so now you gotta mix it. There's a hand mixer in front of you.
That was scary.
You got it.
Why did it do that? It yelled at me.
Because you press the turbo button. So the other button that's below it, that's the turbo button.
So don't press that.
Yeah, you don't want it to go turbo.
No, this would be a lot easier if I could see.
Yeah, just maybe.
Could you imagine someone broken right now?
Okay. I'm sorry. We're gonna do the cookie dough part, so I need you to find the box again. And the cookie dough is in there.
Cookie dough. Stay.
And I need you to open it. Okay, so now we're going to need 3 tablespoons of butter. I just realized you put the... Nothing.
What'd I do?
Nothing. You need to cut 3 tablespoons. He said he wanted to guess where 3 tablespoons was first before I tell him. Tell me where you want to cut.
Right here.
Yeah, wait, y'all, he just like guessed where 3 tablespoons was on the butter without me like telling him. Okay, so put the butter in the bowl. That's not the bowl. Yeah.
I have to mix again?
Yeah.
Am I over?
Yes.
Okay.
So go down and turn it on. Don't hit turbo.
Alrighty y'all, so my SD card was full on my other camera, so we switched over to this camera. I don't know where it cut off, but we made the cookie dough and now we're gonna put it into the brownie mix. Now we are going to bake it for about 35 minutes and we'll be back once it's done and we try it to see how it is. Okay, here is the completed look. I don't know if it's supposed to look like that. We'll try it in. If I'm being honest, if you're gonna do a picnic date, I honestly think it's better to just sit in the car.
I think so.
Because we're not cold. And there's no bugs.
No bugs.
What else is bad about being outside? My butt doesn't hurt as much. No birds. That's a good one. A little quieter.
No wind.
No wind. Yeah. So if you want to go on a picnic date, have a picnic in your car, enjoy the scenery without being a part of it. That sounds bad, but it's been a grand old time. And we're gonna eat our desserts and then we'll start playing some games. You're going out on 0?
I am going out.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I am.
You gave yourself too good of a hand then.
I did not. I created this one.
Yeah, okay, show me. What are you doing? You're cute. Stop. I don't know what. You zooming in up on my nose or something?
Maybe.
How'd I know?
I just know.
Come on, let's play Guess Who. I've been trying to get Ashley. Where's the book? It's right there. Oh, I've been trying to get Ashley to read this book for, I think I talked about it the very first time we met.
Yeah.
So for like half a year, and we just read it all in one sitting. So it's really dark outside now, but we might, do you wanna do a quick little dance and then go?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna do a quick little dance and then call the date and end.
Off our date with something cheesy. We're gonna feed each other our Berkey. And yeah. I'm scared.
Why are you scared? Aww. What do you think about it? Because I have a thought.
And then say your thought.
I think it's terrible.
Why does it taste so like?
But cute. Good Valentine's moment. Whoa.
Did we already say that we're gonna know each other for 6 months tomorrow?
Yeah, tomorrow is 6 months since she made her move on me. So that's kind of fun. Oh, well, I guess when they're watching this, it'll have actually been a little bit after that.
Alrighty y'all, so that was it for our little Valentine's date planned by Maky and Ashley. Thank you to Maky and Ashley. I would say this was more of a challenge for us, perhaps.
I hope this went well.
Yeah, we hope y'all's date is going fantastic, and yeah, happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
But I had a really fun time. Did you have a fun time?
I did too. I had a great time.
It was a very good date. Thank you.
They picked a really good date.
Good job, Caitlin and Matt. We hope y'all enjoyed y'all's Valentine's Day as much as we did. Hopefully you'll have some fun, funny memories, and it'll all be cataloged? Yeah, it'll all be cataloged, recorded here on YouTube. I don't know. Anyways, happy Valentine's Day, and happy Valentine's Day to all you guys watching. If you want some, Caitlin and I talked about maybe doing like a good places to go on dates in Lubbock vlog. So if you liked Matt and Ashley being in videos, let us know and we'll force our significant others to continue to be in these videos. Bye y'all. Wreck 'em. Say wreck 'em.
Wreck 'em.